everyone, welcome back to our road trip to Iceland vlog. It is day 3 technically, and this was shot back in October last year. We are now heading to South Iceland to explore one of my dream falls, SKOGAFOSS. At first I thought we could walk behind this falls, but nope, I think there's no coming back if we do. This waterfall is the one where you can openly run towards, just in front. On the other hand, SELJALANDSFOSS waterfalls is the one you can walk behind, but I'll show you that later. Going back to the day before, after our sunset drive from Gullfoss waterfalls, we passed by the geysers. We didn't capture the way they shot up to the sky, but we didn't have much time to stop. I was actually scared to drive at night because I know my eyes aren't the best. Honestly, I felt like I was in a horror movie because the guest house was so secluded and dark, hidden way past the main road. But we found our way. My creative overthinking mind was alert and working at those scenarios. We were thankful though that we arrived at our cute stay. Hi guys, so today is day 3 and we're now outside. It's 10:37 and we're gonna hunt auroras tonight. So don't judge the book by its cover, I guess.
We got nothing.
That night we hunted for auroras because our host told us we can see auroras in this area.
But we do have
There was no light pollution, but it wasn't the strongest. I think it was stronger back in Winnipeg, to be honest with you. The morning was so beautiful though. You can just see the light shining and just illuminating golden hues in the views across the fields. We had breakfast. Actually, at this point, I really missed my mom's cooking. I can't believe it. I'm gonna say that I'm missing it. I miss rice. Now that our tummies are full, on to our next or first destination of the day. SELJALANDSFOSS waterfalls, one of the most famous waterfalls in Iceland, with a 200 feet drop where you can walk behind the waterfall and get wet.
Okay. Sure.
So we're now going towards the back of the falls, and Ada is leading the way. Please bring waterproof pants and protect your gear. I protected my camera, but I didn't protect my pants.
Kita ba kayo? Margala.
I wish I wore waterproof pants before I went into or behind the waterfalls, because you're gonna get drenched in water. Woo! Where are we at? Sofa. It was so fun. Also, Colombia, please sponsor us.
We're all very wet. The remnants in the bell.
Look at this waterproof Columbia.
This is modeling Columbia wear.
Yeah, Columbia wear and Uniqlo. Uniqlo's cargo pants. Not really waterproof.
What are you wearing?
Uniqlo. That cute water print style.
It's not waterproof, apparently.
Now I'm getting very excited. SKOGAFOSS waterfall located on the Skoga River along Iceland's south coast. It is one of the most beautiful and one of the biggest waterfalls in Iceland. When you're lucky and the sun is up, you get to see not only a rainbow but a double rainbow. Nature is truly at work. Nature is at its finest. I finally got to do the running shot I've always dreamed of. Actually, you can go up the stairs. I wish I did to get a different viewpoint, but I guess I was so lazy. You can press on me. Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, action. Hi guys, let's circle around, circle. Alright. Oh, you're taking a video. REYNISFJARA Black Sand Beach is a world-famous black sand beach also on the south coast, beside the small coastal village of the Vik. Just like a rose with thorns, there were warning signs before entering the beach because the Atlantic waves can really drag you away from the shore. These are called sneaker waves, and they come at you quickly and can drench you in the cold, harsh water. The wind was so strong, so please don't go near just to get that picture. There were actually people sitting on top of the basalt columns, which is so sad for me because I think you shouldn't be stepping on these stones. You don't know how strong or how old these stones are, so we gotta respect. After a long day, we just stayed at our hotel at the Vik. This charming town had gas stations and grocery stores, so we bought some food along the way because we know we won't be able to find somewhere where we can just go anytime.
Noch nicht. Du konntest deinen Bruder Simon doch auch trennen. Das kann auch einer ist. Wonder what this is.
Oh, sorry.
Cheers to being broke on day 3. See you next time.